Kia ora tatou. So as you can see, I've got a jersey and a jacket on, and it's a little bit makariri. But if you just step one side to this room, it's a bit mahana. So
just a little bit over here. So
today this is us, and Maramatanga In A Minute, day
15.
15.
Yes, 15.
Kia ora tatou. We're just finished up with our Rangatahi, just in a bit of a Maramatanga session. We went over some of the key events that took place during 8th of November and thereafter, and we also got into a bit of a kōrero in terms of who was Ihoa and how would we explain Ihoa to other people. And so we came up with this Bible verse here.
1 John 4:16. God is love. Whoever lives in love lives in God and God in them.
Ka pai. So at the end of the day, God is love. Ko te aroha te me nui. It was the love of Ihoa who sent his tama. It was also the love of the tama who allowed himself to go through a taumaha process so that on the 8th of November we would receive the wairoa tapu. So we also came up with 3 key things that we were hoping for Rangatahi to explain about the wairoa the 8th of November quite easily to other people. So the 3 things are: the wairoa tapu visited Ratana in the form of a burning cloud. 1. Ratana was instructed by the wairoa tapu to unite the Maori people under Ihoa. And 3. After going through his 40-day trials, Ratana is appointed as the mawai. So, tira mara e te whānau, Maramatanga In A Minute.